Welcome to newlytrading.com. I'll look at some of the newest publicly traded companies on the TSX.V, OTC, and on the CSE exchanges. This program is intended to provide insight and background on our featured company and provide additional information and links on our website, newlytrading.com. Today we're talking with CEO Marcel Vigneault, CEO of MOBI724 Global Solutions, trading symbol MOS, on the CSE exchange. Good morning, Marcel.
Good morning. Nice to hear you.
Marcel, let's start off by maybe taking a look at management, and if you could give us a little of your background and public market experience, and how long you've been associated with MOBI724.
I am the founder of MOBI724. I started the company about 6 years ago. We were trading on the CSE, but this past 45 days now we're trading on the TSX venture. My background, for me, I'm a serial entrepreneur. My background is accounting. I have a bachelor's degree in accounting. I started working and doing cost accounting for Maple Leaf brand and moved to Montreal, to which I've been living here now for over 30 years. One of the things that I'm very proud of is I was on the board of the CMA, the Chartered Management Accountants of Canada, and I was involved with CPA Canada when the accounting profession merged. So I was on the board either with CMA and or CPA Canada for the past 11 years. And a few years back, I was picked by MIT Sloan Management and the Entrepreneurship Foundation here in Quebec as a top 10 technology entrepreneur. And I had access to some of the best coaches in the world at MIT. And 6 months after my passage at MIT, I developed the technologies and the solutions that MOBI today has as its core platform to market on a global scale. So my experience is diversified. Very happy to be an entrepreneur, and I like anything that's related to innovation and bringing cutting-edge technologies to the marketplace.
Can you help some of us who maybe are a little unclear of the Fintech space and what that space looks like and why MOBI has identified opportunity in this area?
With my past experience in being in the loyalty and rewards and payment space for the past 20 years, basically, the Fintech is the financial technology space where we've designed solutions in this multi-billion-dollar marketplace, where at the end of the day, we're focusing on payment, where we have the ability to link and offer, as an example, a coupon to either a debit or a credit card, and we sell our solutions to banks in different markets. So basically what we're bringing to the marketplace, at the core, we're a payment platform where we've integrated on top of this the ability to link payment cards, the ability to do digital marketing, and our technology is agnostic, meaning somebody that has any type of a credit card, we can link offers, and basically what we want to bring to the marketplace is really eliminate all the high costs. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you've earned points on a credit card with a bank. When it gets to redeeming your points today, you can either have a gift card, a travel, or maybe buy a toaster or a similar product, and the bank or through their vendors, they're going to ship that to your house. That model has not changed for the past 25 years, and the technologies that we have developed into the marketplace is really to disrupt this 25-year-old model and to transform that huge cost structure of logistics delivery and being able to deliver that to customers in a seamless digital format directly linked to their payment card and in a better user experience for the card holders. So that's what we are tackling at this moment, and the opportunities are global, and it's a huge market opportunity for us at this moment.
So how busy is the Fintech space, and kind of where does MOBI724 sit within that space, and what is the unique offering that MOBI brings to the space?
A very good question. In essence, in the last few years, and this is I suspect is going to continue for many years to come, is that a lot of banks, because of their size and because of the way that they are structured, are not the best in the marketplace to bring out innovation, and sometimes innovation is being brought out by companies such as ourselves, where a bank today will outsource some of these new activities or these new cost savings or the ability to deliver a new user experience. And for us, basically, with the solution that we have developed, we focus on the payment card portfolio of the banks. As an example, Visa in the two Americas, let's say South America and North America, has about 1.3 billion Visa cards. And just in the U.S. market alone, on an annual basis, the points value issued to customers because they're using their cards is more than $45 billion worth of points that are issued on an annual basis, to which it costs the bank $1 billion plus billions of dollars a year globally to deliver the rewards to their customers. So let's say that you have 25,000 points with your rewards card. You're going to the rewards catalog, and let's say you want to have a $250 value at Best Buy, and it costs you 25,000 points. They debit your points, and then they ship you the gift card. The cost of delivering the gift card to the customer is very costly. It takes time. The customer does not have that immediately. So for us, using our technology, the customer will go in the rewards catalog and say, I want to have a $250 value at Best Buy. And a click, we will debit the points, and the value is directly linked to your Visa card in real time. So you could be using your mobile app at a Best Buy and have that activated right away. So you'll go to the cashier and you swipe your Visa card because the value is linked to the Visa card. As soon, let's say you're making a $400 purchase, as soon as you've completed the purchase, you're going to get a notification from your bank to say, listen, you had a $250 points value at Best Buy. We're going to issue you a statement credit. So what we're doing basically is eliminating all the logistics of delivering a product or service to customer's house into a real-time user experience. And now the fact that we know where the customer is, the bank has the ability to do an advertising, a cross-promotion on another bank's service. And because we know which location that you are in, we can do a cross-promotion. So the whole delivery of rewards points around the world, again, is costing banks billions of dollars. And for us, we're transforming this cost structure into a revenue stream. And because the value is linked to the Visa card, as an example, the bank and Visa are making more money. So basically what we are bringing to the marketplace is more transactions into the payment ecosystem while enhancing the user experience. This past 6 months, we've signed an agreement with Visa in the Latin, Caribbean, and Central America, and we're going to market with these technologies as first to market with Visa as a partner in that region at the moment. So it's a very good time at MOBI. The future looks very bright, and everybody's working very hard to roll this out in many countries in the next coming months. Can you describe the business model? I understand the technology and your offering to the banks, but can you explain the business model of MOBI? Yeah, the business model is basically when we sell the solution to a bank, we typically charge them kind of a monthly licensing fee, but the bulk of our revenues are basically in the transaction. So as an example, a customer redeems their point, like I explained earlier. So we make a transaction revenue every time the customer uses their point for redemption. And today we're as another example, we are the provider for the Royal Bank of Canada. We do all their mobile payments in the Caribbean, so like a typical payment transaction revenue. So hence, we charge a monthly licensing fee, and we make money on either points redemption or payment transaction at the point of sale. What are the next milestones you guys are kind of looking at? For us, one of the key milestones this year is to be live in multiple countries this year. And for us at this moment, we're really set on these on these targets. And at the end of the year, we publicly stated that we wanted to have portfolios of cards of over 24 million cards by the end of the year. So that's one of the milestones that we want to surpass. So that kind of gives you an idea where we're focusing at the moment geographically, and at the same time, features that we will be adding to our core solution. I would say all in all, we're a small cap company, but we have big objectives and some very supportive shareholders behind us. So and we're very gracious and very happy to have investors that are looking for mid to the long term success. A company is not built overnight, and all in all, I'm very happy where we're standing today.
If people would like more information on MOBI, how do they reach out to you?
They can reach out to our website on MOBI724.com, and there's a section IR at MOBI724.com. And next Monday at 4 p.m. we're holding our quarterly webinar, where we're going to do a complete status of where we are today with market growth, clients, financials, and everything. So next Monday at 4 p.m., April 30th, we do a 45-minute update on the company.
Marcel, I appreciate your time today.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it. Have a great day.
That was Marcel Vigneault, CEO of MOBI724 Global Solutions. Trading symbol is MOS on both the CSE exchange and the TSX Venture Exchange. That's it for this episode of NewlyTrading.com, the podcast. Join us next week, same time, for another featured Newly Trading company on the TSX.V, OTC, or CSE exchanges. And go to NewlyTrading.com to subscribe. NewlyTrading.com and this podcast are solely intended for information purposes. If you're considering investing in securities, always consult a professional advisor. I'm Jim Ripley.